This is the introduction of KSK Rubber Dam Clamps. KSK Rubber Dam Clamps support users by providing 1. Excellent spring and corrosion resistance. 2. Precisely bladed beak. 3. Various shapes. 4. 3 finishing types. Number 1. Excellent spring and corrosion resistance. KSK rubber dam clamps are manufactured by carefully selected stainless steel, which prevent corrosion and keep excellent springiness. Our accumulated know-how developed the best hardening program for clamps. It assures to have breakage resistance and tooth holding force in a long-term repeated use. 4,000 time open-close material fatigue test for each production lot assures great reliability of safety and durability. Number 2. Precisely bladed beak. Beak is an important part which determines tooth fitting. KSK rubber dam clamps have a blade edging process to form a precise beak. Please refer to the picture. Expert craftsmen make final adjustment manually to ensure perfect fit. Number 3. Various shapes. 76 clamps lineup covers molar, bicuspid, labial, and deciduous teeth and allows users to find ideal clamp type in various cases. How to choose KSK rubber dam clamps supports to find out suitable clamp type for the operating teeth. KSK rubber dam clamp A4 demo book provides actual product samples to check. KSK deciduous clamps are jointly developed by Dentech and School of Dentistry, Aichi Gakuin University. These clamps perfectly fit to deciduous teeth. It is a unique product only available from KSK. Number 4. 3 finishing types are available from different finishing process. Glossy type, polished glossy finishing. Matte type, brightness controlled by sandblast process. Black type, reflection is greatly reduced through special processing. It protects users from eye strain and stress caused by reflecting operation light through microscope. Without color coding, special surface treatment makes stainless steel surface itself in black. So, it has no risk of coat peeling and safe for patients. At set items and accessories lineup, Rubber Dam Starter Kit is an ideal set for dental students and dentists who want to start rubber dam operation. Rubber dam clamp board with clamps. It's a set comes with stainless board. KSK rubber dam punch provide great cutting performance. KSK rubber dam clamp forceps fits well with user's hands and allows smooth holding and releasing of clamps. Dental dam non-latex powder-free minimize the risk of allergy. KSK dental dams have good resistance and elastic property. Aluminum zip bag keeps rubber dam sheet in fresh. There are 4 types of lineup. Recently, we newly added stainless steel made sterilization cassette, which allows users to wash, sterilize, and storage rubber dam items. There are 2 convenient sizes you can choose from. We have more set items and accessories in our lineup. Our rubber dam clamps have been selected by dentists worldwide. This is a long-selling product for over 80 years. It's been used in more than 30 countries in North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Oceania, Middle East, and Africa. 240,000 pieces have been provided yearly. It would be our great pleasure to provide our products to you through our dealer in your country. Thank you for watching.